Welcome to fire pit season. The purpose of this video is to get you excited about planning for your outdoor fire feature. And the reason we want you to plan is in anticipation of fire pit season. We got holidays coming up. It may seem like a long time away when lead times can get up to 12 and 14 weeks. That's 3.5 months. However, we got you covered and we want to encourage you. Here in Montana, snow is on the ground, it's cold, it's gray, it's winter. We still have to be planning for the fire pit season coming up. That doesn't mean you're trenching your gas line in frozen ground. That means you're just anticipating the unit that you need. Complete systems are very, very popular right now. These are turnkey. These are going to be our GFRC complete systems, our steel complete systems, our ready to finish, the Venture series. The Venture series, this is our steel tables made right here in Missoula, Montana by us. That lead time, cut that in half. 4 to 5 weeks is what we're shipping these things out. And these are custom from start to finish, powder coated, complete systems, shipped to you anywhere in the lower 48. On our website, we have a special section called Ready to Ship. These are complete, in stock, finished. All we gotta do is get the green light and we crate these things up and we ship them to you. If you're looking for a raw steel, which looks just extremely cool, it has so much character. If that fits your design, that lead time is about 2 to 3 weeks. Burner systems, you're still at about 4 to 5 weeks. Now is the time to plan. Jump on the website, montanafirepits.com, of course, to just always be looking and planning and learning. Call us, email us, contact us, even if you have a custom project. So be encouraged. If you are planning, we are here to help you plan. We're here to help you design that centerpiece of your outdoor living.